I could have my Gucci on. I go wear my Louis.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Monday. Naglakaw ako guys kay sayo pa kayo pero ulan kaliksik. Bye guys, see you later. Guys, dala ko sa office. My God, so early. Sayo kayo guys, basta Monday kay mag-flag racing. That is why I'm so early today. Kay mag-flag racing me. Mulagbok sa ako mga manang. Mulagbok sa ako guys kay you know. What time is it? 7:20. Hi guys, bye! Thank you for watching guys. My God. So guys, nakasulod sa office guys. Manghugas ako kay ang mga hugason atong Friday wala akong pasta.
Uy, sana all. Uy, sana all.
Diba, maman na. Last one. And done. Manilhig na. Next is, manilhig na po ko mintras wala pa'y tao. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for watching guys. Maraming salamat po.